Hey there, so you're about to receive or have received your first grow kit from 10 Mile Mushrooms. We just want to say thank you if you've placed an order. And if this is your first time, this is your go-to video to check out, figure out, and to watch religiously, because this is going to have your 1, 2, 3s of taking care of these mushroom grow blocks. Now, when I started growing on bags of straw, which were a lot messier than these commercial size grow kits that we've sent you. The straw gets everywhere. It is not as effective as this hardwood sawdust that we have. And it was just not a pleasant experience. Gets all in your clothes, all in your shirt. But this kit is able to produce 2 to 4 pounds of mushrooms within the next 7 to 14 days. You'll start seeing good signs of growth after a week, and just keep on misting. That is the total goal here. So let's get into the kit, see what we got in here, and get you set up for success. So first things first is this kit is meant to be grown on a tabletop. With direct or indirect light, either is totally fine. Like I mentioned, misting is going to be our most important thing that we've got to do with this. So let's get into the box, see what we got, and we'll go from there. So I just got a kitchen paring knife here. This is totally fine. You don't need any special kind of knives or any type of razor, but a razor is definitely recommended. Please make sure your knife is sharp. You do not want to be chunking into this block with a dull knife. So we got our package here, and we are going to be careful while cutting it open. Let's see what's inside. Packing paper. You're welcome. Just kidding. So we've got a free gift bag in here. Check it out. Our gift to you. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, and without you, we would be not able to do this and to keep spreading the good mushroom word. So thank you. And we have our 1, 2, 3 mushroom grow guide. Very important. You're going to want to check this out. This is as simple as it gets. There's some extra details on here, but for the most part, we're going to cut, mist, and harvest. 3 steps. So check this out. We'll go by this step by step as well. And then you've also got a free misting bottle. So this bottle is your go-to for misting. Keep it nearby. You're gonna need it. Don't lose it. And then we have our ready to fruit block. So here we've got a lion's mane ready to fruit block. All of the different species that you may get from us, they can all be treated the same. So you can follow this guide no matter what species you have, unless you've bought shiitake. That's just slightly different, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Everything else is as simple as this. So we're going to set our block on. According to the guide here, we are going to lay block on side with folded flap down, which we've done, and we're going to use a sharp razor knife to cut 1, 2 to 4 inch slit. We're going to keep it between 60 and 80 degrees, and the block must have plenty of airflow, so you don't want to stuff it in a closet or something like that. You want it somewhere that's cool, somewhere that has airflow, and somewhere that's not totally dark. These mushrooms do need light to start growing. That's something that's a common misconception with mushrooms, is that they grow in the dark. Button mushrooms do, but that's a different story. So after that, we're just gonna mist the heck out of it. Ideally non-chlorinated water, but most water will work. Well water is fine, so don't worry if you have well water. All right, so we're ready to go. We're gonna cut this thing open. 1, 2 to 4 inch slit, and then we're gonna mist it. So I'm just gonna dig the top of the knife into the block. Cut it right across, just like that. I'm cutting into the substrate just a little bit. The substrate is this, the growing medium, the medium in which any commercially grown mushroom is found on is called a substrate. So now our goal is to mist in the morning, mist in the afternoon, mist in the evening, at least 3 times a day. If you do not mist 3 times a day, your results are definitely going to vary and you may not get quite the flush that you'd hoped for. So when misting, we're going to take the bottle and we're going to spray right over and around the slit. Once these lion's manes start growing, we're not going to mist the mushrooms directly, but rather just around the bag. If you mist them too heavily on the top, they're going to get a little brown. You may think something's wrong. Lion's mane is just very prone to getting browning when you mist it or have water hit it directly. So just mist around the bag here, you know, even down below like this, and mist it very, very well. So we're gonna do that in another 4 to 8 hours, and then once again before bed. And we're gonna repeat this process for 14 days. This is a testament to your willpower, your testament to your green thumb. Just keep at it. It's super easy, super 1, 2, 3, and you do not have to worry if you miss one misting. You're going to grow some mushrooms, most definitely. That's our guarantee. So reach out, send your pictures to us at GrowMushMore on Instagram, Facebook, 10 Mile Mushrooms. Send over your grows. We'd love to share them with other clients and other customers and get the excitement about mushrooms thriving and jiving here. So check out our other YouTube videos. Say hi. Stop in sometime at the farm here in Pennsylvania. And as always, grow much more. See ya, folks.